Judy's book. Daddy's scratchy face. Daddy's scratchy face. Judy can feel Daddy's scratchy face. Now you feel Daddy's scratchy face.
Good.
Good. Yes, good girl. That's Daddy's scratchy face. Can you read Judy's book? Yippee! Can you stand up again? Gotta read this book standing up. Okay, that's all right. There's a boy and a girl, Paul and Judy. Paul, Judy's playing peekaboo with Paul. Peekaboo! George is playing peekaboo with Paul. Peekaboo. Yeah, it's a good book, huh? I wonder if they'll ever make it into a movie. I think. Yeah, who would play Paul and Judy, I think? Charlize Theron. Yeah, the girl. Who would play the boy? Who would play the boy? I don't know. That's a good question. Maybe that blonde guy from House. I think. I don't know his real name. The Australian.